Welcome back to my channel, Tuna's Diary. For today's video, we're making pancakes. So 1 egg, 2 tablespoons or 2 spoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mix well. Then we add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt, sifted. Also, we add 1 tablespoon butter, melted butter, 3/4 evaporated milk or fresh milk. I use fresh milk. And this is the melted butter. So then we need to mix well. Namiss namin kumain ng pancake with coffee or coffee cappuccino. So, pwede kayong gumawa mga my loves and then rest for 5 minutes. Easy lang to. Pwede kayong gumawa sa inyo. So, this is ready to cook. And I use butter. Ito yung yung butter kanina. So, ayan. Just 1 minute to cook this pancake, mga my loves. Not more. Not less or more. Pag mag-bubbles na sa itaas, pwede na siyang baliktarin. Ganyan lang po ang paggawa ng pancake. And for those not yet subscribe my channel, don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comments, and share. So, maglagay naman tayo uli. Pwede din maglagay kayo ng cooking oil kung wala kayong butter. So, ayan mga my loves. Mayroon akong time na magawa ng pancake dahil day off ko today. Kaya, yun. So, maglagay tayo ng apple moss later. Pwede naman kayo maglagay ng kahit honey or strawberry syrup, blackberry syrup. Then pwede kayo maglagay ng kahit anong mga fruits like strawberry or kind of berry, blackberries. And pwede din kayo maglagay ng ice cream. It depends kung anong talaga yung toppings nyo. Pwede din cheese, grated cheese. Yeah. It depends on you kung anong gusto nyong i-toppings. Ang gusto naman ni Habi apple moss is mashed apple. Yan, ready na my love for our cappuccino.
So, coffee, cappuccino.
So, yan. So, maglagay na tayo ng apple moss.
So, we add apple moss. Is this apple moss?
And our breakfast is ready. Kain tayo mga my loves. Kumusta? Happy Friday, everyone. And thank you for those thumbs up ticket sa aking channel. Mag-iwan lang ng bakas. At magsukli naman ako sa inyo, my loves. Yan. Katapos ng work. Kasi yung work ko 6 hours lang. Then, meron pa akong oras. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.